are comprised of a group of people with common skills or interests who collaborate and work together. We experience communities in all aspects of our lives, including the workplace. With so many businesses going global, employees are working from home and dealing with more conference calls instead of face-to-face meetings. The look of the traditional workplace is changing. How can communities help? IBM Lotus Connections is social software for businesses that helps people collaborate by exchanging and sharing information and interacting with one another, whether they are on the next floor of the same building or halfway around the world. Let's take a look at Heather. Heather is passionate about the environment. She is interested in being more eco-friendly at work and finding others who share her passion. Heather uses IBM Lotus Connections, an enterprise social software suite, to connect to people with similar interests and also make new contacts. Heather logs into her consolidated, customizable Lotus Connections homepage, which provides an overview of her business network. From the Updates tab, she can see the latest updates from her extended business community. From the Discover tab, Heather notices an update from Samantha, a coworker at Renovations. Their company will reimburse the cost of public transportation for employees working at the corporate headquarters in downtown Chicago. This would be a great opportunity for Heather to reduce her environmental impact. The discussion within the Communities service of IBM Lotus Connections addresses environmental practices at Renovations. The discussion contains several entries from her colleagues about the public transportation reimbursement. Now that Heather is in the community, she is able to browse all the different tools that allow her to share information with the community members, such as activities, wikis, bookmarks, feeds, and files. Heather wants to keep track of what is shared in this community, so she joins by simply clicking the Join Community button. This community is using activities to plan meetings, but you can also use activities for any number of collaborative tasks, such as planning an event, coordinating a project, or building a program. Heather takes a look at the current activities. There are to-dos within the activity assigned to specific people for upcoming meetings. She can also see the agenda, guest speaker, file attachments, and she can even download the agenda file from the activity. The community is using files to share a podcast of prior meetings, but any file type can be uploaded, such as presentations, documents, or images. In the Wiki section of the community, the members are planning to present a proposal for more efficient environmental practices. Anyone can create a page in the Wiki, and multiple versions of the pages can be stored for comparison. Clicking on the History of Changes link will allow you to see version information from newest to oldest, including version number and edit history with dates and editor information. This link also allows you to view all versions of the page for visual comparison. Heather can contribute her own ideas to the Wiki using the rich text editor, which offers word processing features for changing the typeface, size, color, and emphasis of selected text, as well as options for changing paragraph settings such as alignment, indents, and bullets. Dan, the owner of the community, notices all the activity or updates from Heather and decides to make her a co-owner. Ownership gives Heather permission to edit content and modify the tools being used in the community. It also gives her the ability to change the theme, look, and feel of the user interface. She can also choose the arrangement and selection of social software widgets. Heather can now customize the community, and she decides to add a blogging widget. She plans to author a blog for the community to post news and information that is relevant to this community. She can even enable other community members to blog along with her. IBM Lotus Connections provides people with a rich set of tools to help them collaborate effectively, reach out to their network, and build deeper relationships around a common interest. In particular, the new tools available in the community service of IBM Lotus Connections provide people with even more capabilities at their fingertips to help organize and share information and build vibrant and agile business communities to respond quickly and profitably to marketplace opportunities.
We work smarter together.